Yeah, what's up, traders? How are you doing? How is the trade? How is the week treating you guys? I hope you're all good. Um, Today we're going to be talking about a very good topic concerning, motivation. Why you should keep grinding, why you should keep punching that buy and sell button, why you should keep developing and working on yourself. All right. So, guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to check the link below this video. Um, Click on subscription button, share this video, drop your comments, and also join our WhatsApp channel where we do share trades every single day. As you can see right here, I don't know if you can see this, but we just placed a good trade, and I share this on my WhatsApp channel. I do share analysis most times on YouTube. You might want to check other videos I made to see how I drop analysis on YouTube, and also join me, follow me on Twitter, and we are everywhere on Facebook, on Telegram. We have channels there, but the most active one is the one on WhatsApp. So check the link below this video. So that being said, let's head over to why we are here today. Now, we all know trading is not easy. If trading was easy, and everybody would be trading. Okay, everybody would be a trader. So it is not easy, but one reason why I think you should not stop, or one of the reasons why myself I have not stopped, if you know, this is my, let me just say, first year trading forex officially. Though I've been trading crypto and the rest of them before then, but after I trained myself to become a trader actually, from then I started trading forex. That was like a year ago. You can also check my previous video. You see when I started trading forex. So it's not been easy. There have been losses, there have been profits, but you just have to keep going, because each time I want to quit, I have to remember why I started in the first place. And for some of us, some of you watching this video too, we also relate. Some of us are the only person or the only people in our family, on your family, that choose to do something different. We live in a society whereby everybody have this one mentality or this one mindset of, okay, go to school, get a job, settle down, have a family, and you're going to be okay. But some of us see life beyond that, like want more out of life. So, and I believe that's the reason why you two are chasing for us, because you believe that there is more to life than just a 9 to 5 job. There's more to life than just settling for what the community has to offer, what your environment has to offer. Like, one wise saying normally said that don't allow your environment to determine the up tree that you are supposed to be. So that is why we are here, that's why we are trading, that is why I think you two are also trading. So one of the reasons why you don't have to quit forex actually is this. You see, when you start out your journey, the very first time you start out your journey, especially the first year, a lot of people are going to call you stupid. Trust me, they are going to be like, you are wasting your time. Why don't you just go out there, get a real job just like everybody else, on month's end, wait for your salary and the whole rest of them. But you don't have to confine yourself to what the environment wants you to be. The environment should not determine who you are going to be. You should be the one to determine how your life pattern is going to be. So no matter what they say, when you tell them that you want to start first, because the truth is, let me tell you, if you have like 6 friends around you and you tell them that I want to start trading forex, 3 of them are going to tell you that, well, this whole forex thing is just scam. Then the other 3 is going to tell you that, bro, you cannot make it, let's focus on our normal hustle. But this is it, you are the one who know what you want. These people that are making money in this, that people who are making living out of it, that are doing well, built a lot of houses and have a lot of cars, doing well for their family, and they become the star of their family, and they are doing this through trading forex. Everything is not charm or jazz, or I don't know what you call it, but for those who brought out their time to focus on building themselves in this industry, you see that they're actually making it. So you don't have to give up. You have to understand that those criticism will always come. In short, the very first moment I started trading forex, or very first moment I started trading, or I started venturing into online stuff like crypto, forex, and the whole rest, talking as at then, I lost 80% of my friends, because I was no longer thinking the way they thought. I was no longer going to places that they always go to. I was no longer having the same kind of conversation that they do, because most times before then, if I sit with them, there's a particular kind of conversation that I do have with them. But once I started out that journey, the whole picture, my mentality changed. Like if I sit down with them, they're talking about this and that, the regular thing, guy stuff, But are we talking about, okay, dollar index, the market volatility, this is that, gold is doing this, US treasury, this and that. I talk about those things. Then gradually, it is automatic. Gradually, they start detaching themselves from you, because they no longer find your company that interesting, because you guys are thinking in different ways. So you are definitely going to encounter things like this once you start on this journey. So once you start seeing all these things, don't think that, okay, am I doing something wrong? Actually, you are not doing something wrong. You are doing something different. You are trying to be different. And with time, you will start seeing people that actually think like you. Now, the fact about trading on forex is that, or trading forex, or anything trading, be it stocks or crypto or whatever, is that only 10%. I'm using myself as an example, okay? Only 10% of people that I know that actually know about crypto, forex, trading, and the whole rest of them. Now, out of that 10%, only 10% out of the 10% are actually engaging themselves in it. Not all are successful, not all are successful, but only 10% out of the 10% of people that I know that actually. So, and this is how it is with like almost everybody. If you know 10 people in your streets, I bet you only one person or two people know about crypto, know about trading, know about forex. And even if they know about that, doesn't mean that they gain. Is it that they know it that it is something that you lose money, or they know it's a scam, or that it is something that, oh, you cannot make money out of it if you don't have huge capital, or if you don't. But all these things are the way their mind have been conditioned to perceive what forex trading or online investing and the whole rest of them is. But you know what you want, you know what you are seeing. So focus on what you know, focus on the information you have. So that is one reason why you shouldn't give up, and that is one thing you're going to encounter. Now, in the second year, you most likely, if you are serious enough, if you are disciplined enough, if you are motivated enough, because remember, motivation can be instant, it can be temporal, but you see, discipline is what's going to take you far. Because it is not all about, oh, I know about forex, I heard about forex. It's something that you can make money from, something that can make my life very beautiful, that can give me freedom. Because the essence of this thing we are doing, the essence of this all is freedom. If you are chasing money, chasing whatever, without freedom, sorry guys, I'm checking my gold trade because that one is very important. So still going very well. So anything you are doing in this industry and what you are chasing is not freedom, then you have not started. What we are chasing here is freedom. So freedom is all that you want. So in the second year, when you start having that level of freedom whereby, okay, you cannot pay your light bill, you cannot pay your rent, you cannot pay for this, you start paying little bills from that online hustle, from that forex you are trading, because you have developed yourself, you've started building yourself in terms of the psychology part, in terms of the technical part, a whole lot of things you've been developing yourself on in this journey. That is when they now start seeing some of the results. All right, they now start seeing, oh, he no longer goes to work, you a lot of things. Then on the third year, you might quit your job, depending on how good you are at that particular point in time. Then on the fourth year, they start calling you that they start saying that you are lucky, without putting into consideration the amounts of time you invested, the amounts of losses you've had along the way, and the whole rest of them. Then on the fifth year, they start telling you that, oh, I want you to teach us. That is when you now start building them. That is when you now start reminding them that, guy, I cannot just come out and give to you something that I have spent sleepless nights. Do you know how many times, like myself for example, when I started on this journey, I just told myself that if people can do it, I don't want to mention name now, if somebody like this can do this, I can actually do this. It doesn't matter how long it's going to take me. It might take me 2 years, it might take me 3 years to become one of those forex traders you see on YouTube driving, but that is not actually the issue. The main thing is freedom. Like I said, I want to live a life whereby I can wake up every morning. I can wake up any time in the morning and say, okay, today, you know what, I don't want to go anywhere, but still want to make money. I want to live a life whereby my kids tomorrow, oh, daddy, we're on midterm break, we're having break from school on Thursday, and daddy, can you take us shopping? Or daddy, can you take us to see some animals in the zoo? Can you take us to the amusement park on Thursday, on Friday? Instead of me telling them that, oh, okay, when I get back from work, I will have the freedom, the time, the chance, the ability to take them to the park on Thursday morning or Friday morning. How many people can do that? So this is the freedom that we are working towards. That is the dream we want to have. A dream whereby, you know, your wife or some, yeah, you can take your husband out to, maybe like on Tuesday you just feel like, okay, one hot afternoon, let's just go, you know, to the beach and, you know, receive fresh air, something like that. You cannot do all those things if you are working a 9-to-5 job. Now, I'm not saying you should quit your job, but I'm saying that you should try to build a life that gives you freedom. One of the things that kills very fast, especially in this part of the country where I come from, Nigeria, is stress, is overthinking. Overthinking not just about family issues, but overthinking about finance, overthinking about, oh, how am I going to meet up with this? And I'm going to work today. Okay, I close from work. You go and pick up your children from school. Blah blah, this and that. These things, they stress up the system. So, but that is not the issue. That is not the case. What I'm trying to say is that if you're a forex trader, if you just started forex trading or just started trading, whether it's crypto or forex or stocks or whatever, newly, do not give up. Do not give up. I can say this is actually my first year, but I can tell you that, bro, it has given me a certain level of freedom, and this is the type of life I want to live. So if this is the type of life you want to live, life of freedom, whereby you can work from anywhere. For example, for those who know, I was away from home for 8 good months. Okay, for some things I needed to sort it out. But guys, I was there, still trading, still making money, still paying for my rent, still paying for my bills back at home. But I was not at home. All I had here was just my phone. I was still making money. Though I lose some, but I make more, because the game is win more than you lose. It's very simple. Nobody is guaranteed that you're not going to lose. So when you see those losses, don't say, oh, you know, one funny thing about forex, one reality about forex, or one advice I'm going to give you in forex is this, in trading is this. In the days or when you lose, don't think that you are the worst trader. When you win, don't think that you are the best trader, because you can still lose. Alright? So in anything you do in this industry, remember one thing. Remember why you started in the first place. One of the reasons why most people quit is because they don't have a solid reason why they started that journey in the first place. Some people started this journey because a friend told them about forex. Some people started this journey because they just saw where somebody bought a Lamborghini or bought a Benz, yeah, with money trading for forex, and it's okay, I want to try this thing. What is your motivation? Your motivation in forex is what is going to determine if you are going to attain that level of discipline that will take you to your future in forex, because discipline is what is going to take you far. Remember, not motivation. Motivation is more like what's going to kickstart the whole thing. But what is motivating you, or what motivates you, is also very, very important. For myself, one of the motivation is to make sure that I give my mom a life that is like unbelievable, like unimaginable, like life that you can't just imagine it. So each day sometimes some days that I go into losing streaks, these are some of the things that I remember, and I'll be like, okay, you know what, it is just a bad day, it's just a bad trade, okay, I'm not a bad trader, tomorrow we go again. So what motivated you to start this journey is very, very important. Now you ask yourself now, did you get motivated by something serious? And if something serious motivated you in to start out this journey, well, you are welcome on board. So guys, that is all for today, and I believe that you have been inspired by this video and you have picked one or two things. So if you love this content, if you want me to be doing similar videos like this, please drop a comment below the section. And remember, we are all in this journey together. All right, we are all going to get there. It's a matter of time. So guys, this is Amos Soft, and once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Soft Effects. What we do here is very simple. We focus on the charts and on our dreams. Very simple. So God bless, and do have a lovely day ahead.